I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to use Android and the very basics of Android. We might do some more advanced videos down the road, but at this point, these are just the basics. I'll start off by saying wherever I touch the screen, there's going to be a white dot. And so you see me tap on something, the white dot will just quickly appear and disappear. That being said, let's go ahead and go through the basics of Android. So this is the home screen. If you're ever not on the home screen, you could always get to it by tapping the circle at the bottom of the screen. And you just do a quick tap and it should take you to the home screen. Now, you'll want to do a quick tap because if you press and hold, it's going to go ahead and take you to Google search and you'll be able to do a voice search there with the Google Assistant. So just a quick tap will take you home. Another thing is if you're ever inside of any apps, the back button at the very bottom, which is the bottom left triangle icon, that one should go ahead and take you back. And that should take you back from whatever app screen you're at to the previous app screen you're at. And it should then take you home if you're at the home screen of the app and you hit back. So lastly, on the bottom row of buttons, you have the square button, and this is the recent apps and multitasking button. And so if you do a quick tap on it, it's going to show you a list of your latest apps that you were using. And if you want to leave this list of recent apps, you can go ahead and tap the back arrow and it'll take you back, which back is home now. Also, if you are in the recent apps and you tap the home button, it'll also take you home. Finally, you should know about the app drawer. And a lot of Android devices have they have an icon. They have an icon that has 6 dots right about this area right here. And so there's 6 dots, and it's a circle with 6 dots, and if you tap that, it'll bring up this app drawer. On this phone, you have to swipe up to bring up your app drawer. Or you can also tap on this small arrow on this phone. There's an up arrow right here that you can tap on to bring up the app drawer. Now the app drawer shows you a list of all your apps sorted alphabetically, and if you swipe on the right side, it'll go by letter for your entire app list. Whenever you found whatever app you want to use, you can actually launch it just by tapping it, and it should just launch straight into the app. And to exit the app, you just either hit back or you hit the home screen button, and it'll go ahead and either of those should take you home as long as you were in the first screen of the app. Now, if you had gone into the app and then went in another screen, then you might have to hit back twice or hit back several times to get home. But again, it's probably just easier to tap that home button at the bottom. That's about it for this tutorial, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.